Guys, I'm from BSc Tech with another short video, and today's video is about how to use your older hard drive as external USB storage for your Android devices. The process is very simple and straightforward. It's very easy. You can try this without any delay. All you need is an external hard drive, which normally you can find sitting in your drawer or on your desk. And this one is basically taken from my older laptop, and now this is spare, so I decided to use this as an external USB storage for my Android device. You need a hard drive connector cable with USB 2.5 or 3.5 support, and on the other side is a Type-C connector which we can use with our Android device today. If you have an older series, for example Samsung S6 or S7 Edge, you can buy the relevant connector from eBay, very cheap these days. There'll be a micro connector on this side, or you can use a USB male to female in order to connect with your device. This part will stay the same. So guys, I'm going to connect this with my device, and I will show you as soon as I connect the hard drive with my device. The flashlight will start blinking, and that means that the device has been recognized by my phone. And as you can see, we have a USB flash drive listed on the top notification toggle side, and from here you can see that we have a 500 GB free, so I can transfer my data, especially the pictures or the multimedia or songs or anything I like. So this is how you use your USB flash drive as your external USB storage. And I hope you like the video, guys. If you have any comments or feedback, don't forget to leave in the comment section below. See you soon with another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye bye.